Way you think is costing you millions, and the scariest part is that you don't even know it's happening, because the most expensive thing in your life isn't your rent, your debt, or your bad investments. It's a belief you picked up at 12 years old that you never questioned. The thing that nobody warns you about is that your mind can make you rich or keep you poor without changing anything around you. Two people can look at the same opportunity. One sees a door, the other sees a threat. Same world, same moment, different mindset, different destiny, and that difference is worth millions. The cold reality is that right now, your mindset is running like a subscription, and you're paying for it every day. You can talk yourself out of things by trying to be realistic, but in actuality, that's just your fear with a strong PR team. The truth is simple. Not yet is how potential quietly dies. Procrastination isn't laziness, it's self-distrust. You see, your brain is a courtroom, and most people let their anxiety be the lawyer. Your mind will use old pain to veto new profit. But while you're mentally debating, someone else is putting in the work. So ask yourself, what would I do today if I wasn't trying to protect my ego? Because you don't get paid for potential, you get paid for proof, and proof only comes from reps. The way you think is costing you millions, and the scariest part is